Yes, you wait. Hey guys, what is up today? Timothy Nelson back here with another video. Today we are jump starting the lawnmower, and yeah, there should be. Just filled it up. We have it connected to that. We have it connected to that. And yes, guys, we are jump starting this red lawnmower. So let's get started.
There's no freaking gas.
Yeah, there is, Nick.
Oh yeah, there is.
I'll flip it. So first thing you need to do is turn it on, pull the choke out, and then when it starts doing that, you do it like that, and it should start. So yeah. Nick, can you go take the other ones off?
No, but then I'll shoot.
Sucks for you. You have to open the gate for me. Nick, you hold these back. You hold these back. In that okay, guys, so we have to unhook this like normal. Nick will never help. Nick, stop. Why don't you chuck these in your bag real quick? Oh, there's some bag toys in there. I remember that. You want to ride that one? Okay. So, guys, we are going right now. Let's start it up. Now, it's going. Guys, sorry about the filming. It's a little bumpy, I know. It's because well, we're riding our lawnmower, so yeah, it's supposed to technically be like that. Yeah! Oh, guys, make sure you check out my last video. So, I think I might put the link in the description. Oops. So, yeah. So, guys, let's open the gate right now. We are getting off the lawnmower. Oh gosh, look at that turd. This is my horse pasture too, so there's some turds. Oh, look. Didn't like that. So, here, let me pause the video and wait until we get this unlocked. Okay, guys, so we just got it open. We are filling it up now again because it turns out Nick decided to go for a joyride, huh? So, we're gonna back our lawnmower up and let's go get it. He's right over there.